So, welcome to my channel. We wait for subscribers. So we are live. Today we want to look to the Bitcoin price more in detail. The prediction what I made here in the past was coming true. The moon boys again false. So most of the moon boys they saw here a parabolica, and in my eyes one of the Z misinformation that they gave to the people. Yeah. So this was 100% false. Yeah, they have no clue. I think if they predict something like that, one person make that, yeah, and then other people copy this and paste this in their channel. But I predict here from the beginning that this is not a parabolica. This is a uptrend. The uptrend, um, we broke this uptrend very clear. This is a signal for us, people like me or people who have here experience. They see this, and this exclusive information I want to give to you. That's the reason why I'm today live, to show you that the next step, yeah, this was the signal for us. Okay, something big is coming. That the next step even more worse than this. Yeah, this is only a retest, and this will coming or turn out, I would say, less than maybe uh, 4 to 8 days. Yeah, that we are going here sideways. We will go also to the upside, but in the end of the day, you can see we have a really bad structure to the downside. So hello friends, hello to the subscribers. Yeah, it's late, I know. Okay, yeah, but some of you write to me and say, okay, it is good if you come to live and make a video. Yeah. So Moonboys, Max Hart say Moonboys think that BTC will be like Chili's. Okay, Chili's. We can look to the Chili chart. Maybe one subscriber wrote me also and say here, okay, the price is going to 21 cent. Let's look. It is normal because if you look here more inside, then you can see that the base, yeah, is here. So this is total normal that the price is going to 21 cent. Even um, if the price is going to 30 cent, this is normal. Yeah, because the base is here. So calculate with a price rising to 30 cent. But what happens after that? This is very interesting. If you look, we have here a downtrend. Yeah. Even if the price is going to 30 cent, yeah, that not means that we will stay here and go here to the upside like this. This is not possible. Let me look. So let me look. Now, the reason is why this is not possible is, look, we are here at levels of 81. Look, huge manipulated to the upside, and we are at 21. Please keep this in your mind. Look, here we are at 21 cent. We are at 81. Yeah, the price level in which Chili's will go here to the downside is, let me look, the price will smash in direction of 002 or 003. Yeah, the reason is we have to go back to our base, and our base is, first base is this, the original base is this. here. So my target is for Chile's 001 or 02, yeah, in extreme case. So, but I know that 50% of this value is going down. That means if we predict a normal prediction, then I would say the price is coming back to 8 cent. But in this case, 8 cent make no sense because the base is here. So I'm calculate with 0.01 or 0.02 or 0.03. Yeah. So huge negative here. Huge negative. We see this negativity from this big hammer. This big hammer is not finished. And that's the reason why we have to go here to the downside, because it is not finished at this moment. Yeah. Many of the moon boys think, okay, this is finished and we will break this to the upside and blah and blah. No, we have to come back to the downside one more again. This is not a sell-off. Do you really think this is a sell-off from 28 cent to 9 cent? This was a good sell-off, but a sell-off is in every time in second steps. Yeah, well, two steps. One, two. So we're looking to Ethereum. Well, this is also was also an interesting candidate. Let me look. So many of you wrote me, yeah, and say, okay, the price of Ethereum is going to 2000. What happens next? Yeah, it's normal that we make here retest at $2,000. You can see we failed here, and this has the similar structure like Chilis and Bitcoin. Our base now, very interesting information. Look to this here, please. Here, now you can see this is a very typical information for us. If you see the Ethereum price here and the Ethereum price here, what the chart tell us something. Yeah, you have to know how you can read the chart. You can see this was a 1,540. Yeah, rejected, and the price is going here to the downside. This was a resistance. So this resistance we broke here in the past to the downside, clear to 800 levels. Now we're going here to the upside, and this is a typical fake outbreak, yeah, a bull trap, because this gives us the sign that the next step is going more to the downside, like this. Yeah. So the wish is that the price is coming to the downside and we all buy and so on, blah blah. Yeah. But it is possible that we can stay here at the Ethereum price at 700. Yeah. If this not hold, then I would say we're going here to 300 and 400 levels. Yeah. But this year depends. This year depends what the elites and the rich make. Yeah. If a crisis is coming, exactly look here at September. Yeah, September, October. If there's a if a crash is coming, then this is coming true. Yeah. But if I look to the chart, then I would say the crash is coming, because if you look here to the construct, then you can recognize this was our uptrend. The uptrend is finished. Yeah. At these moments, you can see we broke the structure here very clear. So the downtrend is coming very clear. Some of you not recognize this, but you can see we broke this uptrend very clear. And that what you see here is only a retest of this. If the price is staying here at these levels, it's okay if this guy going to 1900 or even more to 1930, then the moon boys write to me and say, no, you are wrong. The price is going to the upside. Yes, the price is going to the upside, but in real we make a retest and then the really crash is coming to the downside like this. Yeah. So let's see if this play out or turn out. Because if the price is going to these levels, then we lost everything. Yeah. Once the price is going to 1,600, 1,500, 1,500 back, then Ethereum has really big problems because then the price is going really hard to the downside. The crash is coming. Something like a crash is coming. Yeah, this is not normal. You can see this also here in the Bitcoin chart. The last manipulation is coming. This is in my eyes only a left shoulder, which is ending very bad at these levels. So I look to the chat. So one question is, what do you think what will happen with the euro? I think I would say nothing, because um, the euro is manipulated by the ECB. So I think they steer the parameters and the euro and dollar and so on. Yeah. So it will happen nothing with the euro. Maybe in 6-7 years, then I think the euro is coming to the end. So a little bit. Yeah. So please write me. Oh, Queen T. Let's look. You can write here 1, 2 cryptos. Then we can look here a little bit. Queen T, one of my favorite. This is a very aggressive crypto. The price will go really hard to the upside. Here you have to look more in detail. The problem here at the QNT chart, we have not so much data. Okay, I know there are charts, they give us more information about this, but uh, important is yet the QNT chart, this sector. Yeah. So let me look. It's a good performance. The price, the prediction what I made, I said, okay, we will go here to $30. Is coming near $30. Okay, not bad. But you can see the huge manipulation to the upside is happening here since then. I was on vacation, and you can see clear at the QNT price that the warning is also here. You can see this is our uptrend and clear break of this uptrend to the downside. So, and from this point, it is possible that QNT make his last test. That means left shoulder head and right shoulder formation. And you can see here, yeah, you can see here really good left shoulder head and right shoulder formation. It is positive. Yes, the price could go here to $160. Yes, everything is okay. Yeah, the moon boys write me, okay, your prediction is wrong, or your prediction is wrong. The price is going to 160. Why we have this situation? You can see from this um, positive trend line, we have to make a retest here. It is possible that some of the moon boys believe the price is going here to the upside. In real, we make a retest. Yeah. What is the end of this story is if you reach this level, especially if you look here, look, make this fat in green, yeah, you can see we touch this 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. If this going to 154 or 160, forget it. Yeah, you have here gain, profit of 50. Okay, it is maybe possible, but this area is a dangerous area. Yeah, so I would never trade here at these levels. You have a little bit profit, but this, especially this area, is huge manipulated. Yeah, so they can um, instead the 160 they can make a sideways movement. Yeah, so this here is this. Yeah, and then end of the day we get something like manipulate this. Yeah, one high, second high, and double dip, and then the price is going here to the downside. So not trust the elites here. They manipulate here a lot of. So I think something like that we will see this. Yeah, the price is going here to the downside. The last action here, we have a negative formation here. Even if this is looking here very good, if you look here, yeah, we broke the structure very clear to the downside. So let's look to Filecoin if you want. Here. So one comment to Filecoin. This is the best crypto, one of the best cryptos that I saw in the past. Yeah. The reason why this is very exclusive is um, the price is manipulated to the downside. Yeah. But from the technical point of view, if you make a projection, then this Filecoin is much higher from the price. Yeah. If you want that I say something, uh, these are peanuts. Yeah, $8. The average price of Filecoin is this. Yeah. But if I predict something, then the average price you can forget. The price is much higher. So you can see from if you look Filecoin that a lot of performance and positive uh, development we can expect. So we're looking here more inside what we see here. It's a little bit a shame um, if the price or the RSI is 83 here, and we're going only here uh, from $6 to $11. It's okay. It's fine. Yeah, we make here 100%, but in real, the price make only here a retest. Yeah, if you look more inside, you can see this was our uptrend here, and we broke this uptrend very clear here. Yeah. And that's the dangerous point, because if you look here more closer, then you can see this uptrend since 26th of July, since $5 is now broke. We have now a current situation, we have no uptrend. That means we make a retest of higher levels, $10 maybe, and then the really performance to the downside is coming for FICO. You can see we have here double top, and the price will splash here to the downside. If you want, you can write here 1, 2, 3 cryptos, then we can look here to these cryptos very closer. So I wait. Yes, if the markets crash, every crypto is going to zero. Not zero, but if something is $10 or example from Filecoin, $8, and then we can expect that the price is pending here between $2 and $3. Yeah. So I see you take exotic names. Let's look. We have here vector space bioscience. Uh, KuCoin. Let me look. So long term you will win. Yeah, this is a good crypto. Long term you will win, and the price will go here to $15. But the question is how quick we can go here to the upside. Yeah. So in my eyes, if you look here to this, the price could go here in direction of 20 cent. Yeah. And then we have to go like this to the upside. Yeah. Because this structure is coming to the end. Okay. We have here negative energy. The price have to go here to the downside. But the price is limited to the downside. Yeah. Look, 40 cent, 20 cent, 10 cent. Yeah. But at the end of the day, the price have to go here to the upside. So we make here, okay, the dollar index is good. Let me look here. I hope it's work. No, I found here another, no. So I hope this is working. Yes, this is the dollar index. So if you want to understand Bitcoin price, then you have to look to this. Yeah. So so the dollar index is rising since 2018. You can see rising at March 2021. Yeah. So we have here two risings, but you can see from the construct here, we're coming to the end. That means, look, since 2016, we have a little bit sideways movement, and then here a really good uptrend beginning from June 2021. That means, please keep open your eyes. Last year, the drop of Bitcoin starts here at April, May, June. Yeah, dollar index is going here to the upside. Bitcoin crash since then to the downside. But this year, what you see here, we're coming to the end. That means, keep this in your mind, we will go once to the upside like this. That means here the drop of Bitcoin. Yeah? And after that, the price dollar index is going here to these levels. Yeah? Something like that. And that means this year will cause that the Bitcoin price is rising. Yeah. So I think, look, January makes sense. December, yeah, that a switch is coming. Yeah, dollar to the downside and Bitcoin to the upside. So we're looking here back to Bitcoin. So we're looking here one more. So we're looking here to XCP and then 1 to A0. Okay. So it's a relative new crypto. If you look here, since last year, the price is fall here to these levels. Yes, we have here, let me look, left shoulder head and right shoulder formation. That means the next trend is going here to the upside. Yeah. So we're looking here to, let me look, last crypto what we can take this here to into the chart. What is your favorite top 3 charts? They are really good cryptos. In my head, 25, 30 cryptos that are very hot because these cryptos have the best performance. Yeah. For example, uh, this year, Chilis. If you look here to the Chilis chart, then you can see that even the price here of 21 is very cheap because price will go here to the downside, because the reason is if you compare this, the price was here at 0.002, it's going to $1. That means from this point here, 30 cent, the price of chilies will go here really hard to 3, 4, 5, 6 or more to the upside. Yeah. So I would say I would finish here. Let's take. There are really a lot of here requests. Please do this in the Wolf Profi or other membership Wolf price target, so that you get here detailed information. So very bad. You can see we test this level. It's not nice. The price will go here to the downside, and then you have to look if it is coming to upside or not. Let me look to I have to look, give me a little time. So the last is here other. So typical behavior. Keep in your mind finish pattern is ending never in this case. That means the price will smash here to these levels. I would say 10 cent, 12 cent in this area. Yeah. But then the price So target is to the downside. It is a dangerous area because our base here is in these levels, and it is possible that we get here a really hard crash to these levels. Yeah. If you ask me long term, you will win with other, because we have here a megaphone pattern, and this is a extreme big hammer, and that means if this turn out, then the price of other will explode. Yeah. People who have the Wolf price target, they know in which direction exactly the price will go. So for the bottom, regarding QNT, you can look. So yeah, at these levels. So due to the manipulation, we can say, okay, the price could go here to $20, but due to the manipulation, they keep the price of QNT in a high level. Yeah, that's the reason why you see here $100. The first prediction from my side was right. The price is going here to $30. Everything is okay, but the problem is more what happens here. Yeah, if you look to the construct, there's a left shoulder head and a right shoulder formation. So from this point, what maximum possible is to fall or drop to these levels here. So if this is drop here to these levels, then we have a theoretical chance that the price is rising like this to the upside. So, but I think this is too easy. Yeah. So I think we will take the time, or Kunti will take the time to go more sideways and then explode, and then you'll see higher prices in direction of 1,000 or more. Have a nice day.